Welcome bosses. In this video, we'll show you how to use the messages section of your dashboard. So log into your dashboard, click down to messages. You'll see here that we have no messages. But when someone comes to your page, you'll see this contact me button over here. So when someone contacts you, we'll put Jerry, and we'll put, I don't know, just choose book like a boss, message, hey, awesome page. And click this so that you make sure I'm not a robot. And click send your message. Success. Now someone has now contacted you. And now we'll go back into your dashboard. We'll refresh. And you'll see that Jerry was here. He sent you his email address. And what you want to do is you could either delete it or you could click on it and we'll show you the message. Hey, awesome page. And now when you reply here, thanks so much. Right, you'll be able to click send. And now you see the thread, and Jerry will get an email with a link to see what you reply to him. And let's just go back to and you'll see that there's a little red dot there, shows you there's a new message. And again, you could click on it to see the thread, go back, and you could delete it or see the full thing. All right, that's how messages work, and on to the next video.